In cell write Xlookup after is equal to sign, then select the lookup value. Select the column with employee ID. After comma, select the name column. Then close the bracket and press enter. In second example, we are going to find all columns instead of name. Write Xlookup, then select the ID number. Then select the lookup array, which is employee ID column, then select the whole table as return array. Hit enter and you will get the entire result of employee ID D0004. In third example, we are going to find name related to above two conditions. Write Xlookup, then lookup value will be 1. Open the bracket after comma and select gender. Column from the table is equal to female. Then use the star to multiply and select the job title column is equal to graphic designer. Then select the name column as output of your Xlookup. Hit enter and you will get the result.